At Christmas time, our family would always make a recipe for peanut brittle. It's a really old recipe, as you can see, all handwritten by my mother, so that makes it really special. So we continue the tradition and make it every year. So come along with me and we're going to go ahead and make this. Now, making this recipe isn't that hard. It does require just a little bit of time, but it is truly worth it in the end. So what I'm going to do is add 3 cups of sugar to my pot. And then a 1/2 cup of corn syrup. And now to the sugar and corn syrup, I'm going to add a 1/2 cup of water. Now you want to turn your stove on, of course, and you want to dissolve this. Now to the water, sugar, and corn syrup, you want to just keep stirring it until it dissolves. For this recipe, you will need 3 cups of peanuts, the kind without the skins. And you will need a candy thermometer. So now we're going to let this just get up to 280 degrees on a candy thermometer. Takes a little bit of time. While we're waiting for the mixture of corn syrup, sugar, and water to come to 280 degrees, I measured out 3 cups of Planters peanuts, and then also have ready 2 teaspoons of baking soda. While we're waiting for the candy to get up to temperature, I'm now going to go ahead and spray a cookie sheet. I have a really large one here, but if you don't, then I would use 2. So I'm just going to quickly spray it right now. Almost up to 280, and that's when we'll be adding the peanuts. So the temperature has now reached 280 degrees. So very slowly, I'm going to be adding the peanuts. Okay, we got the mixed candy mixture all to 300 degrees. So now I'm going to quickly add the 2 teaspoons of baking soda. And I'm going to stir it really quick. And it's getting all fluffy. I don't know if you can see it. Oh. This peanut brittle turned out absolutely perfect, and we are thoroughly going to enjoy it. As soon as it cools down, we can break it up and eat it. So I hope that you guys can make it sometime throughout the holiday season. So from Dawn of Cooking, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you soon. Happy cooking.